The Immersive Synchronous Lecture Halls are a pair of lecture halls that are located at the far reaches of the New Brunswick campuses. A faculty member teaches from one location and they throw their image to the other portion of the class that's at the other location. So students at the catch location, which is where the faculty member is not currently live, is going to have the same exact experience that the people in the throw room are getting. So it is one classroom that is just in two different locations.
The intention from the beginning was to create an environment, an experience for students where as best as we could, we're creating the sense of immersion that they're actually in the class, whether they're physically there or virtually.
I think taking this class was almost exactly the same as taking a regular class. The one difference was that we had an attendant here to make sure that our professor got all of our questions, or when we raised our hands, to make sure that she could see us.
If you had to ask a question, it was a little bit different versus asking a question in person. But by the end of the course, it didn't even feel different, it just felt natural.
I can see them in the monitors. The people in the throw room can also see them behind me in the monitors. So I will call on them. I will ask questions. I will say, let's go across the river to our friends in Laurie, or let's go across the river to our friends on Bush.
It's great being in a throw room and just being able to point to someone in the catch room and they know you're looking at them and you're interacting with them, and that immersive part is a really incredible experience, and in some ways I think it's more intimate. This really brings it home in front of you, and you don't really have to go too far to feel like you're intimate and involved with the students and the class material.
I would definitely take another class in the Synchronous Lecture Hall and also recommend it to friends. Because of the dual location, it becomes very convenient in case of some circumstance that you didn't expect. Especially with a school as big as Rutgers, getting to classes is always a problem during rush hour, during accidents. So this is a great solution, and I think it should be implemented across the campuses.
The buses are a major hurdle for students to have to deal with at Rutgers. And so simply reducing unnecessary course-related bus travel is an effort to have our students use their time the way that they want to use their time, which is being in class or studying.
I would love the faculty members who have thought about teaching in one of these rooms to stop by our office, ask for a demonstration of the room, see how simple they are to use. We have STEM courses there, we have history courses that are being held there, marketing classes, life sciences. So we are basically cross-discipline. If you have any kind of class that you are teaching to somebody, you could teach in one of these rooms.